Okay guys, let's start the machine. And first, to open this air switch, then press the emergency button and the laser. Okay, next we open the laser source. With this green light turn to red. Okay, we press start. Okay, now we check the control screen. Here is some parameters, like this peak power. It means your laser source like 1000 watts, maybe 80%. It means the power out input is 800 watts. And there is a wobble diameter, max 50. And there is the wobble type. For this system, we have 8 types you choose. Okay, so if you want to change the system languages here, English, okay, Japan, Korea, and Russia, and many, and it will be support to customized. Okay, we use English. Okay. And next we start to show the wobble types. Okay, we first the circle. Okay, start up, on, guide B, on, switch, on. Okay. Okay, this is the circle. Clean. To find the focus is the lighting very strong. Please. And next we show straight line. And then next, the triangle. And next, and the next one. and this one. And the last one. Come on. Okay, we show the how to power off the machine procedure. Okay, start up, off, off. Okay, the system off. And the next procedure, we need to off the lead source. Okay. Then power the laser button. Okay, press the emergency button. The last stop we needed to off the air switch. The machine is powered off.